In this video, I'm going to show you how to add citation from your web browser on Mendeley. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would on your system. Then go ahead and please look up Mendeley web browser extension and go to the official Chrome website.google.com website, and it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, please go ahead and select on Add to Chrome, select on Add Extension. Then that is going to add the Mendeley web importer over here, right over here, so we can go ahead and access it. So let's press on the actual extension key. And you want to make sure that it is actually pinned. So let's pin Mendeley web loader right over here. And then we can go ahead and begin using it. And now what you can do from here is you can go ahead and now browse the web and go to the source on your web browser that you want to cite. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and cite this, for example. We can now go ahead and select on Mendeley. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign into Mendeley if you haven't already to your Mendeley account, or create one if you don't have one already. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly sign in. So I'll be right back with you guys. All right, then after you sign in, it is then going to have something that looks like this. And then it is going to go ahead and actually make a reference for you. Then you can go ahead and select on it and then press on Add to Mendeley right over here, and then you should be good to go if you do have Mendeley already installed on your system. So in order for this to use it to the fullest potential, you need to have Mendeley, the web importer, which we just downloaded, and of course the Mendeley application itself, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.